In this demo video, we'll be showing how to register new administrators or assistants for help in your program. Now I'm going to go through the different permissions that are available and the difference between each. Now there's different levels of helpers that you can register. So if you can register administrator, and they can do everything that you can. So they can add new users, they can add new administrators, they have access to all the data that is in your system. An assistant, if you register an assistant, they can do everything you can do except add new assistants, administrators. A registrar, all they can do is add a new commuter. So let's say if you had a help desk of some sort that you wanted to, students or somebody else that could just register people but not have access to any of the data, or change any of the data, then you would sign them up as a registrar. A redemption partner, this would be somebody like, for example, the University of Minnesota, they have a bike shop that does the redemptions so that the bike shop can redeem prizes. So all they can do though is they can type in the person's email into a screen. When they log in, it'll automatically bring them to the redemption screen, which is has a space for them to type in an email address or a student ID or whatever else that you decide to use as a identifying term. And then what will pull up is that person's record if they have a prize. And then of course the commuter. The commuter is anybody who would have a Zap tag that would be participating in your system. So the way to do it, so let's register an assistant. It's easy. You just have to put in the information. You put in their email address. They don't need a tag. Although if they do have a tag, that's okay, because then you can they'd be listed as a commuter and assistant, and then put in whatever other information. But you don't have to put anything really else in. And then you click on Add User. And that is how you register assistants and other administrators.